Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations. You know, I have a picture hanging on the wall in my office that I showed to a visitor to the shop the other day, and the interest that he expressed in this particular image, I just thought it would be a good idea for me to share with you because it's a rather unique piece of history behind this graphic. This started off as a black and white line sketch for a puzzle that I was designing many years ago, actually 1986, and this is my signature down in the bottom corner, popping out right there. So I was lucky enough at that time to team up with a photographer out of northern New Jersey who had the technique to take black and white sketches and turn it into this line explosion of color that's shown here. Well, as luck would have it, this particular graphic ended up right here. And for those of you that recognize this guy, let me zoom in. This is a storyboard picture from Orion Pictures from the 1986 movie Robocop. That image was used as a set decoration in OCP headquarters. And OCP, if you haven't seen the movie, was the main corporation that was trying to control the police activity in old Detroit. So right there on that column, wrapped and lit very well, is this graphic that I created. And shortly after they snapped this picture, they blew it up with a missile because this was in closing scenes of the movie where the Robocop had gone to arrest Dick Jones for certain indiscretions against the people of old Detroit. So there you go. I'm going to throw in a little snippet from the actual movie so you can see the action that was going on. It's not exactly 2018 quality digital graphics, but I think you'll get the idea. There you go. So you never know. A sketch that started off as a line item detail for a three-dimensional puzzle that was going to be machined ended up used in the motion picture Robocop in 1986. Enjoy.